In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends on Android. First of all, make sure your active status is turned on. Open Messenger, tap the menu icon, then go to Settings, scroll down and tap Active Status. Then turn on Show when you are active. If it's already on, toggle it off and on again. Next, force close the app. Long press the messenger icon, open App Info and tap Force Stop. Then reopen the app and wait a few seconds so the active list can refresh. If it still doesn't work, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. It can be vary. Find Messenger from the list. Then tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. First tap Clear Cache. Now update the app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger and install any available updates. Finally, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. That's it. One of these steps should bring back your active friends list in Messenger. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.